and welcome back to the My Matcha Life Kitchen. We've talked about each different product. Now we're going to talk about the products together and what the differences are. We've got the Tea Lovers Organic Ceremonial Matcha. This is for the purest, you want the best of the best with the highest l-theanine, smoothest tasting matcha, excellent in a traditional matcha like this where you froth it up. It's also very nice in iced matcha as well. But if you're a matcha latte lover, and there's many of you out there, or if you like to put your matcha into a power shake or blender drink, then I would recommend the Barista's Matcha. It's ideal for lattes and blender drinks. It's made up of the second harvest tea leaves and a first harvest tea leaf blend, where this is ceremonial grades usually are all first harvest tea leaves. That means they've got the highest l-theanine content. L-theanine is that amino acid that makes us feel calm, mentally focused, alert, creative, improves cognitive performance. Very high in this. But when you go to the Barista's Matcha, it loses about 30% of that l-theanine because it's partly second harvest tea leaves. So a little astringent flavor, great in lattes and blender drinks. But nice enough, you can still drink it in a traditional matcha with hot water. And then we also have the Culinary Matcha. The Culinary Matcha is all second harvest tea leaves. So about 60% less l-theanine in a second harvest or a summer harvest kind of leaf, which makes it a strong green tea taste, makes it ideal for baking, and makes it ideal for lattes or blended drinks too. It'd be fine for these as well. But just realize that you're not going to get that pure, smooth taste when you're choosing a culinary matcha. But cost per serving, about $1 per serving, 30 servings. The Barista's is about 80 servings, about 41 cents a serving. And the Foodie's culinary matcha is about 24 cents a serving, and you get 100 servings. And a serving is half a teaspoon. So you can see the color differences in here. And they're all beautifully bright green colors, which doesn't always happen with matcha. But you can see the color change, especially from the Tea Lovers Organic down to the Foodie's Culinary Matcha. So I hope that helps give you some idea as to which one is the right one for you.